Hello, this is Roshan. I'm presenting you the Prac 1 Advanced Programming. And this is my module code CMP 7001. And my group members are Bhuvan, Tanish, Kirandeep, and Rajesh Bishnoi. Firstly, our topic is about the Myriad Medical Services MMS Management System. And firstly, coming to the first slide, in introduction, we are presenting our project, the Myriad Medical Services MMS Management System. We built the system using the high-level programming language by using Java. And our goal was to create a centralized system to manage all the essential medical data, including clinic, patient information, and the treatment information, the billing, and other financial data like the insurance and notifications, etc. Mainly coming to the project overview. And the project overview is about this project addresses a critical need for efficient data management in healthcare. As Newjes, data management is integral to any health information systems. We designed the MMS system to replace an outdated data management system currently used by clinic, providing better data management, accessibility, and visibility. And coming to the next slide, contribution to the project. And my contribution to the project is my primary focus was on data persistence, making sure the system's data is permanently stored and available every time for program runs. I designed and implemented the read and write functionality using CSV storage for all patient treatment and billing records. And coming to the next slide, slide 5, use case of the application. The use case for our application covered the core CRUD, means create, read, update, delete operations required for any data management systems. The main operations are the admin updates, patient and clinician details. User can make and update treatments bookings. The system stores all treatment logs and details. And moreover, finally, it calculates bills and automatically flags any non-paying patients. And coming to the next slide, model overview. To build this system, we defined several key classes. Our domain class, which represents the data entities, are patient, clinician treatment instance, and payment. For relationships, the treatment instance class connects the patient of the system, and while the payments class is naturally linked to the treatment's life cycle. And coming to the next slide, application of polymorphism. We implemented the polymorphism, which is a concept that different objects can share similar behaviors while still being unique. Mainly, we have created in this project polymorphism. In our system, all data entities like patient and clinician share similar behaviors for CSV interactions. And coming to the next slide, design used. We use the repository design, service design, and factory based design. And firstly, coming to the repository design. The repository design is crucial. It separates the data storage CSV files from the business logic, which means we could swap out of CSV for a database later without rewriting the whole application. And the service design. The service design, specifically the MMS service, centralizes the application's workflow and enforces the business rules. We used a factory-based design to automatically and reliably generate unique clinician IDs, and encapsulation is used across all the classes. This means we only expose the functionalities to the user like book treatment, but hide the internal uh, implementation details. And coming to the ninth slide, this is an important slide: exception handling. As Marsilio and Furia discuss about the exception handling is essential for managing abnormal situation and ensuring a proper reliable workflow. We made sure to implement proper exception handling across the entire system. We didn't just rely on default errors. We implemented custom exception like patient not found or clinician not found in this exception handling. Coming to the slide 10, challenges we have faced and I have faced while this project. We faced a few key challenges during implementation. One of the initial hurdles was the logic for mapping and storing all the generated clinician IDs reliably with the CSV files, and it was a great experience to me while doing this project. And coming to the reflection, working on this project was an invaluable learning experience I have faced. I gained a new understanding of how persistence affects applications design in a real world context. And managing the CSV file gave me hands-on experience with the error phase data access and handling. These are the challenges faced which I have shared in the previous slide, and what I'm speaking about in the slide 11 of about my reflection. This is my first project, so that I have a great experience in my masters. And coming to the conclusion, and I'm concluding that we have successfully developed a streamlined data management system for MMS, and we implemented essential advanced programming concepts like polymorphism, repository design, and custom exception handling, ensuring the application is scalable and maintainable. As we know, we created the project which is we implemented the essential advanced programming concepts like polymorphism. We have created the own, which is the repository design and custom exception handling, and ensuring the application is scalable and maintainable as the essential product needed for improving practical skills and knowledge. And the proper scalability has been ensured during the implementation process of this application. And I'm concluding that we have successfully developed a streamlined data management system for MMS with the help of Java. Thank you.